इंग्लिश बोलते वक्त आपको अल्फाज याद नहीं रहते। 95 इंग्लिश अल्फाज से आपका ये मसला हमेशा के लिए हल होने वाला है। दोस्तों, जब भी आप इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश करते हैं तो आपके ज़हन में अल्फाज नहीं आते, यानी आप उन वर्ड्स को सही से यूज़ नहीं कर पाते, तो आप इंग्लिश बोलचाल कैसे करेंगे? तो आपका ये मसला दोस्तों हल हो सकता है। उसके लिए आपने मेरे साथ ये 95 इंग्लिश के अल्फाज लाजमी सीख लेनी है, इनकी प्रैक्टिस कर लेनी है। आपको मैं ये बताऊंगा कि आप इन वर्ड्स को कैसे सेंटेंसेस में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। हमारे साथ ऑनलाइन इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स करने के लिए हमारे दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। हमारे पास दोस्तों सबसे पहला वर्ड है लेयर। बोलना कैसे है सीख लीजिए, लाजमी है आपके लिए। लेयर, लेयर, एस को आपने साइलेंट रखना है। लेयर, फुर्सत या फारिग वक़्त। अगर आप किसी को कहना चाहते हैं मेरे पास फारिग वक़्त नहीं है, इंग्लिश में बोले आई डू नॉट हैव एनी लेयर, आई डू नॉट हैव एनी लेयर। अफेक्शन, अफेक्शन, प्यार या मोहब्बत। द बेबी नीड्स अफेक्शन फ्रॉम मदर, अफेक्शन। अप्रॉक्सीमेट, अंदाज़ा या तकरीबन। अप्रॉक्सीमेट, अप्रॉक्सीमेट। The train's approximate time of arrival is 10:30. Approximate. Rift, झगड़ा या लदगी। Rift. The marriage caused the rift between two brothers. Rift, झगड़ा या अलदगी। Tolerate. Tolerate, बर्दाश्त करना। I cannot tolerate it anymore. मैं इसे मज़ीद बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता। Tolerate. Mop means पोछा लगाना। Kindly mop the floor. Mop, mop. Reasonable, माकूल या मुनासिब। माकूल या मुनासिब को इंग्लिश में reasonable कहते हैं। He charges very reasonable prices. Reasonable, reasonable prices. Dominate, गालिबाना। Dominate, dominate. He tries to dominate me. Dominate, dominate. Reliable, 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 काबिल भरोसा। You are not a reliable person. Reliable. Comparatively, comparatively, फिर बोल रहा हूँ comparatively, दूसरे के मुकाबले में। This shoe is comparatively better than that. This shoe is comparatively better than that. Uneasy, uneasy, बेचैनी। She felt uneasy about her test result. Sweep, झाड़ू मारना। Sweep. The maid sweeps the room. Sweep. Buttering, चापलूसी करना। Buttering, buttering. Please stop buttering me. Buttering. Superior, बरतर या आला। Superior. The phone is clearly superior. Superior. Guilty, मुजरिम। He is guilty of a murder. He is guilty of a murder. Murder. Well mannered, खुश इखलाक इंसान को well mannered कहते हैं। Well mannered. He seems to be a well mannered person. Inevitable, inevitable, नागुज़ेर या अटल। Death is inevitable. Evident, वाज़े। Evident नहीं बोलना, evident. Evident. Give an evident proof. Convenient, 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 आसान। The journey was very convenient. Durable, durable, लचकदार या मजबूत। This shoe is very durable. Durable. Wisdom, wisdom, अक्लमंदी। She has so much wisdom. Wisdom. Well-being, खुशहाली या बेहतरी। Well-being. He works for the well-being of the society. Temper, गुस्सा या मिजाज को इंग्लिश में टेम्पर कहते हैं। Temper. You should control your temper. Temper. Short-tempered, चिड़चिड़ा, जिसे जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता है। Short-tempered. Ali is a short-tempered man. Short-tempered. Outspoken, मुंह फट या साफ गो। Outspoken. She's very outspoken. Outspoken. reconcile, 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 मिलाना या सुलह करवाना. Asim and Narmeen were reconciled. Asim and Narmeen were reconciled. Conventional, 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 रिवायती या रस्मी. He is very conventional in his views. Conventional, conventional. Liberal, आज़ाद ख्याल. Liberal, liberal, आज़ाद ख्याल. My teachers are very liberal. Liberal. परवरिश करने को इंग्लिश में nourish कहते हैं. Nourish. She nourished the baby for 1 year. Nourish. दोबारा हासिल करना. Retrieve. Retrieve. She went back to retrieve. Retrieve the ball from garden. She went back to retrieve. Retrieve. Liability. Liability. जिम्मेदारी. It's her liability to pay the amount. Liability. Requisite. 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 लाजमी या ज़रूरी. CNIC is requisite for foreign travel. Requisite. Stamina. कुव्वत बर्दाश्त. Stamina. Stamina. It takes stamina to run a marathon. It takes stamina to run a marathon. Prediction. Prediction. पेशन गोई. Prediction. My predictions are often या often right. Prediction. Admire. तारीफ करना. Admire. Admire. I admire for your passion. Passion to learn English. Dedication. 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 लगन या शौक. His dedication to job is appreciable. Appreciable. Serious. संजीदा. Serious. Why are you so serious? Why are you so serious? Why not? क्यों नहीं? Why not? Why not stay here and enjoy the sight? Why not? Particular. 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 खास. Anything particular to discuss with me. Particular. Guide. रहनुमाई करना. Guide. She guided him to travel to Lahore. Guide. Misguide का माना गुमराह करना. Misguide. Please do not misguide him. Misguide. Misguide. Provoke. 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 गुस्सा दिलाना या भड़काना. Stop provoking your close friend. Provoke. Provoke. Vulnerable. 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 कमजोर. She was in a vulnerable situation. Situation. Optimist. Optimist. उम्मीद परस्त. He is an optimist person. Optimist. Pessimist. मायूसी पसंद. Pessimist. Never be pessimist. Pessimist. Majority. Majority. अक्सरियत. Majority of the people are wise. Majority. Although. Although. अगरचा. Although I am poor, but I am generous. सखी. Generous. Polite. शाइस्ता या खुश इखलाक. Polite. She is very polite, intelligent girl. Proper. मुनासिब या ठीक. Proper. Proper. She needs proper treatment. Treatment. Cautiously. मोहतात तौर पर. Cautiously. He drives the car cautiously. 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 Offend. नाराज करना. Offend. She always offends me. Offend. Calm down. Calm down. पुरसकून हो जाओ. Calm down. He will return your amount. Hesitate. Hesitate. हिचकिचाना. Please do not hesitate to speak. Hesitate. इनकार करना. Deny. Deny. They denied the allegations. Allegations. इल्जामात. Allegations. Expect. Expect. तवक्को करना. I expect you to leave the job. Expect. Wish. ख्वाहिश. I wish you a very best of luck. Dull. सुस्त या कम अकल को इंग्लिश में डल कहते हैं. He is a very dull student. Dull. Let. करने देना या इजाजत देना. Let. Let me talk to him. Let. apologize, apologize माफी मांगना. She apologized for mistreat, mistreat बुरे सलूक. Forgive, forgive माफ करना. Please forgive me, forgive. Deceive धोखा देना. Deceive, the thief deceived the police, police. Still अभी तक. Still I'm still waiting for him. Still. Somehow किसी ना किसी तरह. Somehow, somehow I will manage to travel. Somehow. Anyhow बहरहाल या किसी तरह. Anyhow, anyhow I have to go there. I have to go there. Annoy तंग करना. Annoy. Please stop annoying him. Annoy. Laziness सुस्ती. Laziness. She failed the exams due to laziness. Just अभी अभी या सिर्फ. Just. She has just come back. Just. Accuse इल्जाम लगाना. Accuse. She accused him of the murder. Accuse. Due to की वजह से. Due to. Due to Ali, I could not clear my test. Due to. Spoil खराब करना. He spoiled the mood. Spoil. Skip छोड़ देना. She skipped English subject this year. Delicate नाजुक या नफीस. Delicate. This matter is very delicate. Well-wisher खैर खा. Well-wisher. Few people are your well-wisher here. Influence. Influence ताकत या असर. The PM has a great influence over the country's decisions. Obtain हासिल करना. Obtain हासिल करना. She obtained good marks in the test. Impressive. Impressive मुतासर कुन. I did an impressive job today. Impressive. Bitter कड़वा. Truth is always bitter. Bitter biter नहीं कहना. Shameless बेहया. Shameless. He is a shameless person. Shameless. Extent had दिया गुंजाइश. Extent. She was amazed at the extent of his knowledge. Artificial. Artificial. जाली या बनावटी. This is an artificial flower. Civilized. Civilized. मुहज़्ज़ब या खुश इखलाक. His father is a civilized man. Right there. वहाँ उधर. Right there. You can find the cafe right there. Proficient. 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 माहिर या हुनरमंद. This teacher is very proficient. Versatile. Versatile. हरफन मोला. He is a very versatile man. Versatile. Versatile. Behind. पीछे. Behind. The car is behind me. Think. सोचना. I always think about her. Think. Strong. ताकतवर. Strong. We are strong as a nation. Strong. Laugh का माना खुलकर हंसना. She is laughing at him. Laugh. Alright friends, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.